So I'm about to take this off right now. But like again, back to the relief valve. I like to have everything prepped. So as soon as I take out this relief valve, I put another one right away and put it back in. So you don't have to be draining this whole tank. So there's a little trick I'm just showing you guys. So right now I'm gonna open this up. Right now, because this is brass, I don't care, because people want to say, oh well, you know what, using brass, you're right. You're not supposed to be using channel locks with brass. I'm doing this one on this particular relief valve because this is garbage. It's going out. So here we go. So, and right before it goes to the last threads, where we go, hold on. Make sure, let's see. There we go. All right. You always want to make sure right before you get to the last threads, pull, open up the relief valve, relieve the pressure. And once you do that, good money. All right, here we go. Do something like this, looks like shit. This is a new one. Do something like this. There we go. All right. Now, on this particular relief valve, it's a little bit of a pain in the ass because usually it looks like this. I will use an adjustable because it has a square head. This one is a round head, so I don't have anything other than either a channel lock or a pipe wrench. I typically don't like using pipe wrenches or any channel locks on brass because again, brass is very soft. You leave teeth marks. In this case, I'll make an exception. I'll grab the neck of the actual relief valve, but just giving you a little FYI. All right. So this is a long shank. It still works because they have some water heaters that is actually recessed into the tank, so it's a little long, so you need a long shank. But this is the one we have on the truck. We're gonna use it. There's nothing wrong with it. Here we go. All right, guys. Now we're about to put the drip leg back on. Here we go. Tighten her up. It don't have to be too tight. It's just a drip leg. I'm about to open up the cold water first, slowly. Now I'm gonna open up the hot water. And just like that, it's done. So guys, listen, I'm giving you this tip. The tip of the day is to use your fucking brain. Shut the valve on the cold side, the hot side. You created a vacuum, open up the relief valve, relieve the pressure, and then get your relief valve prepped up. I'm gonna use this as an example, but usually you're gonna put some Teflon tape, some pipe dope, get it ready, relieve the pressure again. Once you relieve that pressure, you take out the old one, put the new one in, and voila, you're done. And the reason why I tend to use this is because you're saving time. Time is money, guys. Otherwise, I will have to take out all the water from the tank just to put this valve in. So it's a little trick that I learned a long time ago from a plumber, and I'm passing this trick over to you. So guys, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, of course. And you know what? DM me or leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. If I could do anything better, please, I would like to hear from you guys. Love to hear from you. Woo-wee! Louie the Boiler Man. Whippa!